Alright guys, what's up? Um, we're doing a recording today kasi titest natin yung recent modification natin with my unit. So I'm hoping this time it's good, and I'm gonna go and look for a couple of parts for my motorcycle. For my Sumer, I'm closing the visor. It's August 15, and this is the first day of implementation of requiring people to wear face shield on public transportation here in Marbel. Not sure if that applies to establishments. Wala tayong face shield right now, but I'm on a helmet. I brought myself some face mask just in case. I hope that's enough for me to go ahead and go inside the establishment. Nakakatawa lang kasi kumusta naman yung mga tricycle driver kung i-require ang face shield nila. Eh, ang alam ko it's kind of flimsy, and siguro pag hinangin lilipa rin or masisira agad yung face shield. So let's observe and see if people are using it really. Okay, this is one tricycle driver that I can see here. I think it's better to wear helmet. Look at them, look at the drivers, look at them. Oh, that's funny. Inang-ina sila nag-isip nito. Naka-face shield sila. Ito naman wala, may face shield. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous if you ask me. Imagine you driving like a tricycle driver and you're wearing face shield. Damn. Sagabal, I think it's better you use a helmet instead of face shield if you're a driver, kasi mas mag-stand up against the wind, diba? Correct me if I'm wrong. What do you guys think about that? Alright, so kailangan natin magmadali. We're gonna go to Newpie. It's a big motorcycle shop or dealer here in Mindanao, particularly here in Marbel, kasi inabusan tayo ng stock ng brake pads. When I went yesterday to Honda, and dalawang Honda ang pinuntahan natin na dealership, and wala silang brake pads for some reason. So we're gonna go ahead and try and see if makahanap tayo sa music this time, kasi we got an upcoming ride tomorrow. And okay pa naman ang brake ko, pero gusto ko lang sana palitan siya if I can. So at least let's try this thing. Let's try this. How's my audio, guys? Is it good? I hope it is, after all the effort that we've been putting through. Hoping my audio is fixed, hopefully. So it's 3:39 in the afternoon, and we're driving around Koronadal City. This is the Pantoa Street na tinatawag nila. Maraming street dito. Maganda dito sa Marbel is ang daming street, like parang square. So maraming pwedeng lusutan. So when it comes to traffic jam, may jam dito sa isang street, you can always go to the next street and go that way instead, kasi nga square yung mga daanan dito, which is really nice. If this is also the same in Manila, mas maganda, di ba? But in Manila, yeah, pag most of the time, pag block na yung isang street, you have no choice. Wala nang other or bihira ang alternative. First, we're gonna go to the bank. Bangko muna tayo. And mag-withdraw muna tayo ng cash. And then, we go to meet it. Wow, pati mga driver ng motor naka-face shield. Oh, kumusta naman ng purple? Dahil siguro yung lakbo mo siguro around 15 to 20 lang siguro using that face shield kasi tapos tinamaan ka pa ng hangin. Good luck sa'yo, pre. Napakatalino na nag-isip. Napakatalino. Okay, BPI. Alright, so ganito ang daan dito sa Mindanao. That is the famous round ball, parang famous landmark ng Koronadal. I think every city naman dito has a round ball, which they are parang landmark. So that's their landmark. Look at that. So that's a round ball. Alright, ito ang muti na sinasabi ko. So let's go ahead and check and see what's going on. Meron pang available dito, dalawang Alright, uwi tayo ng Bigo. Uwi tayo ng Bigo. Ay, ABB 150, andan dyan na. Bakit? Ito naman yung Yamaha dealership here. Wow, meron ng XSR. Tingnan natin. So ayun na nga, in-apply natin yung Honda Yamaha XSR 155 here, and abangan natin ang susunod na kabanata. Well, my experience on a loan application here in Koronadal is bad, although meron naman tayong capability to pay for, kasi most of the time, yeah, I prefer cash kung meron tayong cash, but for now wala tayong cash na pambili ng motorcycle. Ng 162,000 ang cost nung motor na yon. And like I said, ang experience natin dito sa Koronadal City when it comes to applying for loan is bad, because nga palagi tayong na-deny or reject yung application natin. Maybe because hindi ako locally employed, so yung kumbaga income ko is online. I don't know, they probably prefer like parang may mga SSS pag-ibig, I'm not sure. So parang nahihirapan sila i-prove. Although meron naman tayong mga remittances or proof of monthly income na pwede natin ipakita sa kanila. But then, yeah, I think that's one of the reasons kung bakit nadideny yung mga application ko when it comes to that. So, yeah, abangan na lang natin after 2 to 3 days. ICCI nila ako and they probably go to our house and see what's going on and interview or whatnot. In-applyan lang natin yung XSR 155 kasi interesting naman talaga siya, maganda naman talaga siya. And I think coming from a scooter, my plan was to go ADV 150. Almost same cost lang sila. I think 162, 149, so around 10k lang ang difference niya. And I think it's about time for me to try and go use a motorcycle na on a clutch, using clutch, para masana na din tayo sa lahat ng klaseng motor, di ba? Right, so that's basically the reason why I also want ADB 150. Pero ang daming naka-waitlisted, I believe, sa ADB 150 right now. So it's 4:28, I'm going home. Bigo pa rin ako in securing a brake pad. So let's just go home instead. Abangan nyo guys, kumuha ako ng B-rolls for XSR 155. So I'm gonna put that as well on my channel. Alright, so that's about it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you on the next one. Abangan nyo na lang yung update kung ano magiging resulta ng ating pag-apply for an XSR 155. Thank you. Ride safe everyone.